Gabiden Mustafin Street is located in the southeastern part of Nur-Sultan in Almaty district. The street runs from Ablayhan Avenue to Koblanzi Batir Street, crossing Shakalim Kudabirdeoğlu, Irgız, Silit, and Kozbasi streets. Its length is 1,230 meters. Gabiden Mustafin is the People's Writer of Kazakhstan, social activist, former board chairman of the Writers' Union of Kazakhstan. At the end of Gabiden Mustafin Street near Ablayhan Avenue, there is a small park. The park remains a green oasis in the stone jungle. Gabiden Mustafin Street is home for Alim Medical and Clinical Laboratory and Forensic Center of the Ministry of Justice of the Republic of Kazakhstan.